Hello folks, Iggy is here. Just because Motorola literally just unveiled a very exciting upper mid-end handset, the Motorola H30, and two slightly humbler new members of the popular Moto G family less than a couple of weeks ago, that doesn't mean the Lenovo-owned company is not already working on its next Android mid-ranger. I'm talking about Motorola Moto G82 that leaked in all its glory by none other than Evan Blass. The source claims that the Motorola Moto G82 will be powered by the Snapdragon 695 and have 3 memory options up to 8GB of RAM paired with a flat 128GB storage space. It really doesn't sound like the 5G-enabled Moto G82 aims to provide direct competition for Samsung Snapdragon 778 powered Galaxy A73 5G or the upcoming OnePlus Nord 3. But at the right price, this 6.55-inch bad boy could definitely go for the Galaxy A53 5G's jugular. After all, on a benchmark, Snapdragon 695 is pretty fast, still it can run any app pretty fast and without any lag or slow. Designed to strongly resemble the 4G LTE-only G52 with the same centered hole punch, an almost identical looking triple rear camera arrangement and the side-mounted power button hiding a conventional fingerprint scanner rather than embedding the technology into the pure OLED display, the Moto G82 5G is not that much more impressive than its cousin, as the two names suggest. In fact, the two mid-rangers are likely to share the same imaging specifications, including a 50MP primary shooter joined on the back of these phones by an 8MP ultra-wide angle sensor and 2MP macro camera, while a 16MP single front-facing snapper takes care of your self-centered selfie needs. One important thing the G82 is expected to borrow from the G55 rather than overall higher-end Motorola H30 is a good old-fashioned and always handy 3.5mm headphone jack with a 5000 mAh battery capable of 33W charging, sounding like another big possible selling point at the right price. Last but certainly not least, the aforementioned 6.55-inch OLED screen, expected to occupy a remarkable 88% or so of the phone's face with the help of razor-thin bezels, should also support 120Hz refresh rate technology, thus eclipsing the Moto G52 in smoothness while matching the Galaxy A53 5G. Not bad at all. But yes, the main question is how much will this phone cost? Hopefully around $400 or even less. But what do you think, guys? What's your expectations from this phone? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you liked the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and good luck!